ॐ विद्राणे रुद्रवृन्दे सवितरतरले वज्रने ध्वस्तवज्रे जाता शङ्का शशाङ्के विरमतिमरुति त्यक्तवैरे कुबेरे वैकुण्ठे कुण्ठिताश्रे महिषमतिर् सम्पौरुषो भग्ननिघ्नं निघ्नतीव समयतु दुरितम् भूरिभावा भवानी समयतु दुरितं भूरिभावा भवानी. My dear friends, Namaste all of you. Today a very important subject I have selected for all of you. That's Navratri fast festival. In India, in every transit season, in a seasonal transition, this festival comes. And it is prescription there to keep fast 9 days to strengthen the willpower and to attain the mercy of Goddess Kali and to please Goddess Kali in order to please ourselves. This is a traditional concept, and it comes because in each seasonal transition, that is the time of good practice of doctors also. After summer, winter comes, then it comes in October, and after winter, summer comes, then this festival comes in a March. And this is the good season for doctors because most of the people get ill as a seasonal fever, a dysentery, and any viral fever. Many problems come and the people get suffering. So the motive of our sages of Himalaya is to give you some prescriptions to make you all the time free from all the problems of not only in physical level, in mental level, and also in a spiritual level. So each and every formulation made by sages, their purpose is to make us healthy, happy, and efficient. So far as I see here, Navratri fast festival is going on in India and abroad in each 6 months and twice in a year. Actually, this is fast festival. By keeping fast, we can purify our body, we can get rid of all the problems, and any festival, as you know, any festival cannot make you happy unless you are fit and well. So to attain wellness and fitness is the purpose of this formulation of Navratri fast therapy. And you know, as an autophagy, also it is approved that within 9 days, 9 days are prescribed because it is Navratri. Navaratri means 9 nights. Within 9 nights we attain fitness, wellness and also the ground for blissfulness. So, this is the point here, how our sages were wise, how they were so sagacious, and we, the idiots, we ignorant, we don't understand their importance, and even we don't understand the relevance of such formulations and such prescriptions, and even we are deprived of all these wisdom of Vedas. So this Navratri fast festival is a very scientifically formulated. And what is the importance of fast? The scientist, Nobel laureate of Japan, perhaps Yoshinari Ashumi, it is his name, and 2016 he got Nobel Prize, and he approved the scientific foundation behind fastotherapy. And you must know, in each and every religious section, the fast prescriptions are followed strictly. Navratri fast festival in India, Easter fasting in Christianity, Ramadan month is a fasting month in Islamic tradition, and Jainism is a staunch formulation of fast and meditative practices. In Buddhism also there are the prescription of fasting, and other folk in tribal lands also fasts are observed, and the benefits of all the fasts are experienced by the humanity. I'm not telling you the first time that fast therapy. I'm just going to tell you here about Navratri fast festival that comes seasonally twice in a year, and within 9 days our whole body is overhauled, our whole body is rejuvenated, our body is detoxinated, our body gets complete purification, and that is the ground for the perfect health. Because why the 9 nights? Why not 4 nights? Why not 15 nights? Why only 9 nights? Actually, the process of autophagy means rejuvenation of the body, detoxination of the body takes place 9 nights. Any type of person who follows this fast, takes rest, eats nothing, just lemon water or some fruits, it is decided before the fast what you have to take 9 days, and the same thing you have to take. If you have selected fruits, then you have to go through the fruits. If you have selected only soup, then you have to take soups. If you have decided to take something boiled, vegetables, so boiled. If lemon water, then till end only lemon water and nothing else. It takes actually 9 days completely. Therefore it is called Navaratri. Navaratri means 9 nights. Nava means 9, Ratri means nights. So within the course of 9 nights, complete purification of each and every cell, each and every nerve gets end. And the purpose of Navratri fast festival is achieved. Thank you for today.